Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I know it's been some time since you heard something from us. I want to say sorry to everybody who's been following the channel, and yeah, sorry for not publishing any videos for the last couple of months, but life just got in between. There was so much work for me to do, not just in the house but also proper work. So yeah, I had to cut some things out, and that's why it took a while to publish a new video. Yeah, I was sanding down the door frames waiting for my dad, and here he is. The dogs haven't seen him in a while, so they are really happy to see him and want to get some cuddles and play a little bit. And yeah, let's have a look what's happening in this video. Enjoy!
Hier rieselt es von der Decke. Das ist aber nicht gut.
Hör auf mit solchen schlechten Nachrichten, das ist der Dreck, den ich vom Tisch runter gemacht habe. So.
Ja, von da oben, guck mal.
Mach mal da so eine Zwischendecke, dann kann das in die Zwischendecke rieseln. Genau. Okay, so this time I'm having a bigger machine, hoping that I can take all this paint off the door frames, which have been painted like a million times. And really difficult paint as well. The old stuff was really sticky, and I'm trying a lot of different things in this video, also some detergent agent or something like that, which kind of melts the paint so you can get it off easier. But here, yeah, I'm trying different sanding machines, and yeah, don't really have that much success with it, but as it is a long-term project anyway, yeah, I just need to be patient probably and plow away. This is a heating gun. This is really good in taking the first layers off to make it easier for the agent later on to melt and soften the layers under it. As you can see, when I take off the first few layers, there's still some kind of white stuff under it, and this is really sticky and difficult to get off the wood. So yeah, let's see how I can move forward here. So here I'm using the pickling agent. I said detergent agent before, but I think that was a wrong word. It's pickling agent, I just translated it. This is the blue stuff. I'm gonna put it on all the door frames which still have this sticky paint on it, and then I wrap cling foil around it, and yeah, let it sit for a few days. I put the foil around it because then the pickling agent doesn't dry out so quickly, and hopefully it can do a better job. So I stick that to the door frames, and then in a few days I'm gonna have a look and see if I can get this stuff off. In the meantime, my dad is preparing the upstairs because we want to build the next sill on the other side of the room. Maybe you remember we already built the sill on the right hand side, and now we're gonna do the one on the left hand side. But in between, my dad is still putting the drywall on to the walls in the hallway. Getting more of these drywall slabs upstairs. Up and down the old ladder. This is really something. You don't need it to go to the gym after having a day on the construction site. And you can feel it in every muscle. Yeah, of course the bits at the windows, these are always the trickiest ones. So my dad's putting the under construction there. And this is a really difficult bit where the stairs are, because we need to put the plaster boards on that as well, but it's really difficult to reach. Yeah, this is a few days later. The pickling agent seemed to have done his job. It's all still quite moist, and by the looks of it, it comes off really easy. Well, some bits are dried off, but yeah, I can still deal with it, I hope. So let's see how it worked and if I can get the bloody paint off. Okay, it seems to work pretty well. I still have to sand the door frames after it, but yeah, it doesn't block the sanding paper so quickly if I take all the paint, well, most of the paint off before that. And it's actually a really nice job because it's quite meditative, or whatever you say. This type of work really takes a long time, but I think it will be worth it because we can leave these door frames in, and yeah, I'll be happy every time I walk by them.
Was ist jetzt die wichtigste Aufgabe des Tages? Kommst du hier ran?
Okay. Okay, now we're trying this difficult bit right above the stairs to put the plaster boards in there. It is really difficult if you are not the tallest person in the world. I mean, I'm like 1.72 m or something, so I'm not really small, but yeah, some bits are really tricky, and I'm really grateful for my dad, who is not just very strong, he also knows how to do things. I would have not came up with a good idea for that one. Yeah, so I'm trying to hold it. We use these things to keep them attached to the wall, but the problem is we need to meet where the wood is so we can screw the plates on. So this is a bit of a task to get them fitting where they belong to. I'm trying my best to hold the plates in place. I think in the end it worked out, but it took quite a while, at least to get the first one right, because after that we could orientate ourselves on the first one, but the first one's really important, so you can attach the other ones quite easily, but this really has to be in line where it's supposed to go, and yeah, it's a bit of a task. And after the first one is finally attached, my dad can screw it on, and then we can work our way through to the other ones. While I'm busy with my door frames downstairs, he is doing the plasterboard job. And sometimes I come and help him, but he can actually do it himself. He's great. He just knows how to do all these things. I would have never, ever thought I could do that on my own. But I didn't have to, because luckily he likes doing these jobs. This is one of his hobbies, basically. And it was his idea to buy this old house and renovate it. So yeah, he knew that I would help him, but in the end he had to make all these plans himself. And yeah, as you can see, he's doing most of the work himself as well. There's some things he can't do or he doesn't want to do because he doesn't like to do them. For example, plastering over the plasterboards. We got a friend in to do that for the bedroom and the hallway. My dad will do the bits in the bathroom, but yeah, the big things our friend will do. And this is a good thing if you know a lot of people who are a bit of handymans. You can ask them to help you, and of course you need to help them on their construction sites as well. So it's about giving and taking, isn't it? Yeah, so here my dad's doing the plaster work in the bathroom because we want to continue with the shower quite soon, and our friend doesn't have time right now. Just in case you wondered what we have done the last few months, it's not like we've done holidays or something. Of course, we had to work a little bit to make some money for the construction site, and we worked on the construction site as well, which was good because now I could edit some videos in advance, so you can look forward to regular videos from now on again. And I also made some shorts about the past videos and yeah, the future ones which are coming. So yeah, you can enjoy some videos from now on again. Oh, and by the way, we went out to buy some old shutters as well. We wanted to use original shutters if possible, so we had to drive for like 300 kilometers to get these ones. We found them on eBay, which is a bit like Craigslist in the US, I think. So we got these because in the end we want to attach these old shutters to the house because this is a traditional way. Of course we will restore them, sand them, repair them and repaint them, but I think it looks great. What do you guys think?
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head?
Yeah, all the plaster in the bathroom dried now, so we can go for the next job. It needs to be sanded and then maybe plastered again, but we'll have a look. I think our friend will do it because he's got some time now to sand it and maybe redo it. So we'll see. Maybe next week we can look at the finished project. And while we were out getting these shutters, we also found the perfect tiles for the shower. So these are the ones. Yeah. And my dad was busy installing some light. So we've got light in the bathroom now. Awesome. And we also have light in the hallway. Yeah, and my dad built a windowsill made from wood. He built it himself because he wanted to get it in a more traditional way. So yeah, this is the piece, and now he's preparing the window for putting the windowsill in. But of course, first he needs to fix the insulation and the plaster boards for it. So yeah, still a little bit to do before we can put the windowsills in. My dad's got a really great woodworking workshop. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing more of his DIY crafts, then let me know in the comments and I will gladly put some videos together. How he's building stuff for the house, for example this windowsill, or how he is restoring the shutters. So this is a first trial. See if everything fits perfectly.
You know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow. Tell me and be honest.
Right, and this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, then yeah, leave us a thumbs up for the video, and if you haven't done that already, then we would really appreciate you subscribing to the channel, and let us know what you think about in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.